Welcome, friends. What do you have for breakfast today? Our family is going to have a simple English breakfast today. So, let me share with you the simple idea for English breakfast. A full breakfast that is normally served in the United Kingdom consists of sausages, tomatoes, mushroom, baked beans, eggs, toast, and a beverage choice of coffee or tea. Some would have fruit juices too. However, in this video, I am sharing with you how to prepare a simple English breakfast using basic cooking ingredients that are commonly available in a refrigerator. My simple English breakfast just consists of toast and hash brown, served with scrambled egg and baked bean, plus a glass of milk. This not-so-big breakfast idea is suitable for a busy mom like me as it is easy to prepare. Well, the healthier choice should have at least some salads to balance the meal. Unfortunately, we ran out of lettuces, tomatoes and cucumbers at the moment. So, here it is, our decent English breakfast, cooked with love. Enjoy your family fun time through cooking. Don't forget to share, like and subscribe to our channel to watch more interesting videos and simple cooking recipes. Thank you for your support. Happy cooking, everyone.